right here, right now. I brought the offer out, I don't wanna chase it down. And though you see it, you run with me, and I can cut you free out of the drudgery and walls you keep in. So trade that typical for something colorful. And if it's crazy, live a little crazy. You can play it sensible, a queen of conventional, or you can risk it all and see. Don't you wanna get away from the same old? I just got to play, cause I got what you need to come with me and take the ride. I'll take you to the other side, cause you can go like you do, or you can go like me. Say it again, do your body take the key. Oh, God, suddenly afraid to fight. I'll take you to the other side. Hey, my friend, you want to cut me in? Well, I hate to tell you, but it just won't happen. So thanks, but no, I think I'm good to go. Cause I quite enjoy the life you say I'm trapped in. No, I admire you, and that whole show you do. You're onto something, really it's something. But I live among the swells, we don't pick up peanut shells. I'll have to leave that up to you. No, that I don't care. I'm down, but I get to play, cause I got what I need and I don't wanna take right. I don't need to take the other side. Go and do like you do, I'm good to do like me. Made any change, so I'm starting to take the key. Oh, God, can't you say I'm doing fine? I don't need to take the other side. That's really how you like to spend your days. Whiskey, misery, and parties and play. If I were mixed up with you, I'd be the talk of the town. Disgraced and disowned, another one of the thousands. You would finally live a little and laugh a little. Just let me give you the freedom to dream, and it'll wake you up and cure your aching. Take your walls and start breaking. Now that's a deal that seems worth taking, but I guess I'll leave that up to you. Well, it's intriguing, but the goal would cost me greatly. So what percentage of the show would I be taking? Fair enough, you want a piece of all the action. I'd give you 7, we could shake and make it happen. I wasn't born this morning, 18 would be just high. Why not just go ahead and ask for nickels all the time? Gee, I do 8, 12, maybe 9, 10. Don't you wanna get away to a hole? No, but you gotta pay, cause I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride to the other side. So if you do like I do, so if you do like me, look at the days, cause we know how to face the key. Oh, damn, suddenly we're afraid to fight. We're going to the other side. I have to to the other side. To the other side. Go to the other side. We're going to the other side.